Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through a quick way to set up your missions for your lawnmower and your crosshatch patterns for this Bentley TowerPoint project. You'll go to DJI Pilot 2. We have two options. One on this top left, you'll see the flight route. So we can start here. You'll see the missions I've already previously planned. So on the top right, you can hit your plus icon, create route. We're going to go to area route. This will create this will support our 2D, 3D image collection. So that's one way. Or alternatively, you can go into the camera view. On the top left, you have that waypoint icon. So we'll hit plus. Then we'll click area route again. It's going to default to where you're at. Let's choose a standard size building. So this one right here will work. So we'll set our waypoints. Now for your lawnmower mission, your waypoints need to be outside of the building, but you need to be able to see the ground, so you can refer to the scope of work for that. Now we'll zoom in. On the top left, we have our checkpoint, so you can click that, select your aircraft. We're using the M3. M3 again, it's going to default to that wide lens. Okay, here on the top right, you can change the name, so we'll call this the Lawnmower. Below that, you see the Ortho collection and the Oblique collection. The Ortho collection is the default. That's going to be your Lawnmower. And your Oblique collection is going to be your crosshatch pattern. So here, you see this is relatively high, so we're going to change our flight altitude. We're going to put this down to 60 because it needs to be 60 feet above the roof. Then we'll go down to our advanced settings. Click this. Now the target surface to takeoff point, that is telling the aircraft how high the building is. So if the building is 30 feet, then we're going to set this to 30 feet. That's going to set the base altitude 30 feet, and it's going to add that 60 feet for the flight altitude on top of that. So that's all we need to change on that one. Then we'll go to the front and side overlaps, change these to 60-60. Okay. Don't need to change anything else in here. Now your elevation optimization, this you'll see this little waypoint going diagonally from the bottom left to the center. We can turn that off. Alright, and then your mission's built right there. On the top left, you'll see your estimated duration and your estimated photo count. Then you'll hit save on the top left, and then you're ready to go. So when you're ready to start, you can just hit the play button, and it'll walk you through the two pre-flight check screens.